Here is our list of the 5 best places to live in California. Number 1. Fresno. Fresno earns the title of the best place to live in California. The 5th most populous city in the state, Fresno bursts with activity and excitement. Number 2. Visalia. Another San Joaquin Valley hotspot, Visalia is the home of more than 140,000 residents. Number 3. Imperial Valley. The Imperial Valley lies in Imperial and Riverside counties in Southern California, near the Arizona and Mexico borders. Number 4. Yuba City. Yuba City lies 42 miles north of Sacramento. Yuba City has all the urban amenities you'll need. Number 5. Vallejo, Napa area. Bayside living and wine country awaits you in the Vallejo, Napa region. The city of Vallejo is located along the San Pablo Bay, while only about 16 miles north is the town of Napa. That's our list of the 5 best places to live in California. For more information, visit NewHomeSource.com and don't forget to like and subscribe.